Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background and making a merged copy so you can test fixes without destroying pixels. Once done, hide the original duplicates and zoom to 100%. This exposes shadow edges. Now use the lasso or pen tool to loosely select the full shadow area. Don't overfit. Include a small margin. Make a new layer via Edit right arrow fill with 50% gray and set mode to normal temporarily. This gives you a neutral base to sample from. With a loose selection active, refine the mask using select and mask or refine edge brushes so the shadow transition is smooth. Next, create a new blank layer, run Edit right arrow fill right arrow content aware inside that selection. This is the primary removal step because Photoshop synthesizes surrounding pixels. After the fill, sample surrounding texture with the clone, stamp at 50–60% hardness to patch any repeating patterns. Make small strokes. Varying brush size avoids. Once the fill and cloning look plausible, clip a curves adjustment to the repaired layer and nudge midtones so they match adjacent areas. This restores depth. Then create a soft 2–5% opacity brush on a mask to blend hard transitions. Feather the mask if necessary. If texture looks too clean, add filter right arrow noise at 1–2% and reduce opacity. If highlights are flattened, paint a very subtle multiply layer for 1–2 stops of shadow. That fixes overbright patches without reintroducing cast shadow form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.